We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making black-eyed peas with ham hocks, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. First, we're going to prepare our black-eyed peas. Here, I'm spreading them out on a plate so I can sort them. Here, I'm removing any dirt, any abnormal looking peas or broken peas. I'm going to keep sorting through these, and then we're going to go to our next step. Here I'm using the quick method of soaking my peas. I'm placing my peas in 8 cups of boiling water, and we're going to let these boil for 2 minutes, and then we're going to remove them from the heat, cover them, and let them soak for 1 hour. This quick soaking method helps the peas to cook faster. In this pot, I'm preparing my ham hocks. I'm making sure I cover them completely with water. We're going to start out cooking these on a high heat until they begin to boil. Since our ham hocks are boiling, now what we're going to do, we're going to reduce our heat and let these cook. They cook maybe like 2.5 to 3 hours or until they become tender. For those who has an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, you can cook your ham hock more quickly by using this. Place your meat in your pot, add like a 1/2 cup of water, then safely seal your lid on top and set it on meat and push it where it will cook for 1 hour. Make sure to close your pressure valve on top so their steam will stay in. Remember, 1 hour for the peas to soak and 1 hour for the ham hocks to cook in the pressure cooker. Letting y'all see the color of the water after soaking your peas. What we're going to do is keep rinsing these peas off. I'm going to remove the water from this bowl and continue to rinse until the water becomes clear. Whichever way you decided to cook your ham hocks, what you can do if you use your Instant Pot, remove your ham hocks from the Instant Pot, put them in another pot, and then place them on the stove, and then add the liquid from your Instant Pot and add more water to cover your ham hocks, and then add your peas. You can use less water in your peas, but I prefer lots of pot liquor in mine. Here we're beginning to season our peas. I'm adding like a 1/2 of a medium onion. And you can also add jalapeno peppers. If you don't prefer the onions, you can always add onion powder. I'm not going to add any salt or black pepper at this time. I'm going to wait to add it at the end of the cooking process. And I'm also going to add just a tad of sugar. We're going to let these peas cook for maybe 45 minutes, and when they are fully cooked, taste them and add your salt and pepper to taste, and you're good to go. Okay, y'all, we're gonna be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I decided to share the rest of my meal with you all. I have some fried pork chops, some oven baked cornbread, and some cucumber and tomato salad, along with our black-eyed peas. Okay, all I need now is a piece of green onion with this meal. I decided to do some country cooking today, y'all. I also cooked for me some buffalo fish to go along with my black-eyed peas. So have anybody ever heard of buffalo fish? I only eat the real part of the fish, but I just really enjoys it. Okay, y'all, here are our black-eyed peas with ham hocks. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!